Hi, this is Justin with Ocean Vayu Yoga. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to be going through the daily minimum of the Ashtanga Yoga sequence, and that will consist of 3 Surya Namaskara A's, 3 of the B's, the final 3 postures before our Shavasana, and a short stay in Shavasana. We will begin by standing at the top of our mat with the feet together, hands resting gently at the sides, spine long, chin slightly dropped. And with an inhale, we'll reach the arms up and gaze up. With an exhale, we'll fold forward. With our next inhale, we'll lengthen out the spine and gaze forward. And with the exhale, we'll take the feet back and lower to chaturanga. With an inhale, we'll come into upward facing dog. And with our exhale, we'll pull back to downward facing dog, where we'll stay for 5 breaths. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. With the inhale, we'll bring the feet forward, lengthen out the spine. Exhale and fold. And inhale, come all the way back up, reach the arms up, gaze up. Exhale, hands back by the sides. And again, we'll inhale, reach up, gaze up. Exhale, hinge at the hips and fold forward. With our inhale, we'll lengthen out the spine, head up. Exhale, feet back, lowering down, chaturanga. Inhale to up dog. And with the exhale, pull the hips up and back, downward facing dog. Again, 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. With our inhale, we'll bring the feet forward, lengthen out the spine, head up. Exhale and fold. And inhale, come all the way back up, reaching up, gazing up. Exhale, hands back by the sides. And one more. Inhale, reach up, gaze up. Exhale, fold forward. For our next inhale, we lengthen out the spine, head up. And exhale, feet back, lowering to chaturanga. Inhale to up dog. Exhale to downward facing dog. Again, 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. With the inhale, we'll bring the feet forward, lengthen out the spine, head up. Exhale and fold. Inhale all the way back up, reaching up. And exhale, hands back by the sides. And Surya Namaskara B, bend the knees. Inhale, reach up, gaze up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lengthen out the spine, head up. And exhale, feet back, lowering to chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, down dog. Right foot forward, left heel plants, right knee bends. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands down, foot back, lower to chaturanga. Inhale to up dog. And exhale, down dog. With our next inhale, the left foot comes forward, bending into the knee. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands down, foot back, and again, lowering to chaturanga. Inhale to up dog. Exhale, pulling back to downward facing dog for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. With our inhale, we'll bring the feet forward, lengthen out the spine, head up. Exhale, fold. And then bend the knees. Inhale, arms up, gaze up. Exhale, straighten the legs, hands back by the sides. And again, bend the knees. Inhale, reach up, gaze up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, head up, long spine. Exhale, feet back, lowering down, chaturanga. Inhale to up dog, and exhale, downward facing dog. Step the right foot forward, bend into the knee. Inhale, arms up, gaze up. Exhale, hands down, foot back, chaturanga. Inhale to up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. Left side, left foot forward, bending into the knee. Inhale, arms up, gazing up. Exhale, hands down, foot back, chaturanga. Inhale to up dog. And exhale, pulling back to down dog for 5 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, feet forward, head up, long spine. Exhale, fold, bend the knees. Inhale, reach the arms up, gaze up. And exhale, back to samastitihi, equal standing. One more. Bend the knees. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, lengthen out the spine, head up. And exhale, feet back, lowering down, chaturanga. Inhale to up dog. Exhale to down dog. Right foot forward. Inhale, arms up, gazing up. Exhale, hands down, foot back, chaturanga. Inhale to up dog. Exhale, pulling back, down dog. Left foot, bending into the knee. Inhale, reaching up, gazing up. And exhale, hands down, stepping back, lowering to chaturanga. Inhale, up dog. And exhale, downward facing dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Inhale, feet forward, head up. Exhale, fold. Bend the knees. Inhale, arms up, gaze up. And exhale, samastitihi. We'll make our way to seated through a sun salutation. Inhale, reach up. Exhale, fold forward. Inhale, head up, long spine. Exhale, feet back, chaturanga. Inhale to up dog. Exhale to down dog, not holding here. With our next inhale, we'll walk, step, or hop the feet forward and come to a seated position. Crossing the legs, either simple crossed legs, or you could bring the legs into lotus or half lotus, whatever might be accessible. We'll take the hands behind the back, either grabbing hands, wrists, forearms, or elbows, or if you have the space to do so, you could bind the hands to the feet behind the back. And we're going to lengthen out the spine with an inhale and fold over the crossed legs with an exhale for 10 breaths. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We'll inhale coming up. Exhale, release the hands. We'll let the hands rest on the knees, thumb and index fingertips coming together. Long spine, chin dropping slightly toward the chest. 2, we'll be here for 10 breaths as well. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10. We'll set up Utplutahi by bringing the hands forward to the hips but behind the knees. We'll lean forward, gaze forward, and inhale to lift. So 1, 2, 10 breaths here. 3, 4, come down whenever you need to come down. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We'll lower down. One more vinyasa here if you're so inclined. We'll lift with an inhale, take the feet back, lower down with the exhale, up dog with an inhale, down dog with the exhale, and we will come back through to a seated position to lie down flat on our backs and settle in for a short rest here. So just letting go completely of any efforts in the body and releasing any efforts in the breath as well. We allow ourselves a little bit of time here to just soften as completely as we can. And then we'll begin to wiggle the fingers and toes around just a little bit, bringing some movement back into our body. Reach the arms up overhead. With an inhale, we'll stretch out, fingertips to toes, softening with the exhale, drawing the knees in toward the chest, little squeeze if you like, maybe a little rock, a little roll. And we'll make our way up to a comfortable seated position, whatever that might happen to be for you today. And thank you for making this practice a part of your day. And thanks for joining us for it. Namaste. Well, if you enjoyed this practice, let us know. You can drop a comment down below. And if you haven't already done so, of course, we would always appreciate it if you'd hit the little like and subscribe buttons as well. Thanks. We'll see you next time.